Are you noticing a trend yet?
Not at all.
I've got a superhero problem.
So does he. I've got his bedroom. Everything up there is marble.
Hmm?
Set there.
Oh, there you go.
Sure.
That'd be handy. Let's look over on the trailer here.
Mom, how much you want for your dog?
RC car.
5? He's 5.
That's cool. This is what Elijah wants for Christmas, is an RC. Does this RC car work?
It just has no battery.
No battery?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, you have to buy the battery, and my
Gotcha.
husband bought it, thought it had the battery,
Okay.
so we never bought the battery for it.
How much for the container?
They're $1 a piece.
How much is this?
It's 5.
$5?
Mm-hmm. It is.
McDonald's
It's
tools?
yeah, it's an air fryer. Yes.
How much?
It's 5.
Yeah, I need that.
Yeah, for your back.
You put oil in the air fryer. What do you do? How do you
That one I've never used. I have.
Do you put
You know
oil
how
in the
that
air
air
fryer?
fryer works?
It's electric. It's like a convection oven. Shouldn't need oil.
Doesn't need oil.
What do you think? $5?
I mean, can you get a battery for it? That's gonna be hard.
Well, it doesn't ship with one. It's sold separately. Battery's not included. It looks like just 9 volt.
That's weird.
Yeah.
It's probably not gonna last very long. The battery.
Well, it's like the one thing he said he wants for Christmas. So. The Interpreter's Bible.
That's the whole thing too.
How much is this? This,
Mom.
the set of Bibles.
Oh, that set That set is 40. The other ones are $1 apiece.
40, okay. That's probably worth it.
That's a toolkit.
Anything else? I think I might buy those books, but off from 30.
Yeah.
The clock is nice.
That guy just bought that. Oh, you're with me?
Who was it that gave the price on these? Is that you?
Yeah.
Would you do 30 on them?
That way.
You would do 30? Okay. I'll do them. My 10s are sticking together. Cool, man. That's a cool find.
Thank you.
Are you doing the car
Thank you.
today?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the car. $5, you said?
Yeah.
2, 3, 4. I should get the singles discount, right? It's 5, right?
Thank you.
All right, cool. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Need a TV? What is it? It's like it's kind of cool.
Yeah, this heats from all angles.
A lot of heaters. $1 for Captain America. Oh, yeah, that is cool. $20.50.
Have a good day.
What is this? Easy bed? Oh, the kids would love this. Christmas dog? Oh, it's definitely not working. Wait, is that a metal?
Yeah. I don't think
No, it might work.
Yeah, it might. It's just like.
Oh, here you go, Chad.
Yeah.
It's guards for men too. So, really, a lot of men are incontinent.
Oh, yay,
Let me look over here. Oh, these are legit. You already saw them?
No, just.
How much are the shoes?
$1.
$1 for the pair.
Yep.
I'll take both pairs. These are cool. How much for this Captain America sign?
$2.
$4. Are you noticing a trend yet?
Not at all.
I've got a superhero problem.
So does he. I've got his bedroom, everything up there is marble. His whole wardrobe was for a while too.
Growing crystals, that's cool.
Own it, it's okay.
Yeah, just stick those things.
Pogo stick.
Yeah, I already have pogo sticks.
I bet you paid more than $3 for him.
Probably.
George Foreman grill.
That works perfect.
I just want to go help the dude real quick,
Did they?
Did you guys buy a pallet of Home Depot stuff or something?
So that stuff up there, yes, my mom did. These here my husband bought on sale because he thought they were the right size and they were not.
Gotcha, gotcha. Well, did you get anything you liked out of the pallet?
What's that?
Anything good in the pallet that you liked?
They're wonderful. I mean,
Yeah.
everything, we checked everything out.
Oh, cool.
Everything
Thank you.
worked.
You're welcome.
We were going to kind of get in the business of doing that, and then my husband got sick, and
Oh.
I got sick. And
Yeah, it's a lot of work doing that sort of stuff.
Yeah. They have a place
Let me
over
pay
in
them.
Smithfield that gets salads.
Yeah,
Yeah. He's a nice guy.
$4.
Yeah.
This Band-Aid is really hindering my cash handling. There you go.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Have a great day.
You too.
You missed the marble t-shirt.
Well, where?
Right there.
I have a lot of shirts already. I'm
Yeah, and then
good.
you got the periodic table of them too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Hey everyone, thank you for joining me on that video. I'm in my garage right now. It is a big giant mess, but I wanted to show you what I got really quick. I've already stored some of this stuff. I think my cool find from today were these old Chuck Taylors. Like these are like 1980s, 90s. They're super vintage. I'll post the listing I did in this video. I don't know if there's a date in here. You know, there's comps of these that have sold for 100 plus. These aren't in the best condition. You got to find someone that's the right size. I actually fit in them. So worst case scenario, I just have a really cool new pair of Batman sneakers. And I also got these ones. You know, they were in the same sale. They were $1 a pair. These ones are not worth as much. I think I listed these for 20 or so. But I thought those were really cool vintage finds. Oh, and right next to it there, I found these books. You know, I comped these out at around 90 for the whole set. And medium mail is going to be like 20 bucks for whoever buys it. So they'll end up paying a little over 100. I paid 30. It's not an amazing return on investment, but it's pretty good once it sells. What else did I get at that first sale? Oh, this RC car. I got this RC car for my son. Mind the mess here. Got this RC car for my son. She said no batteries. I thought it was a little 9-volt, but I looked more into it, and you got to buy this crazy TMH Flex Pack, which looks like it goes for 50 bucks online, which kind of makes the $5 buy much less exciting. So I went ahead and listed it. I think I listed it for $35, something like that. You can see this N64 here. I just picked this up off of Facebook and it's not working. Well, it turns on, but the controller doesn't seem to be working because it can't detect it. So hopefully it's a controller problem and not a problem with the port. But yeah, I paid a lot for this. I paid $75 because it's really for me, not to flip or anything like that. It did come with Gauntlet, which is like a $30, $40 game. So again, none of that is in this footage, so I don't know why I'm talking about an N64. My main buys were, oh, I got the Captain America sign too. That I think I listed for like $15, so Yeah, that's what I found. Thank you for watching.